friend Jakayla,
Hey.
aka
Jakayla.
her blog is
PB with J.
yes, and she is a dance fitness instructor, and you can follow her on Instagram and follow her blog and all that good stuff. But today we're doing the 10-minute makeup challenge. Okay, the 10-minute makeup challenge. So let me show y'all the plan. We have 10 minutes to do foundation, concealer, contour, highlight, eyeliner, mascara, and lipstick. Are you ready?
Or lip gloss.
Or lip gloss. Are you ready, Jakayla?
Yeah, do we have a timer? Oh.
I'll put the timer on. Okay. I'll do the timer.
Yep.
So, our 10 minutes starts
Don't cheat. Stop cheating.
right. Oh, focus on it. Oh, now. Okay. Go. Okay, go. We already have on primer, and Jakayla has already done her eyebrows, so we just gotta go. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Good press. What you doing?
Oh wait, my mirror. Foundation. I'm gonna use my fingers. I don't care. Oh no, that's not my eyebrow.
I'm already winning.
Oh my god. Whoa. Oh my god. I might have put too much on.
Pressed.
Oh my god. Oh no.
I'm doing well.
Good job, Jakayla.
How long we got?
I don't know. How long do we have, timekeeper? Oh, shoot, my earring fell out.
It's 8:46.
Well, how
You have 8 minutes and 42 seconds.
Thank you, sir.
This is not gonna look good. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Okay, blend it out, blend it out. Blend.
Are you already doing concealer?
Get out of my business.
Oh my god.
I didn't come in here thinking I had to do foundation. I put a little on, put a little on.
Okay.
My arm is so tired.
Same. Oh my god.
You're right here. Mom, stop trying to cheat for me. Go away.
Wait, I got it. You told me to get the. Oh yeah.
Are you trying to cheat for Sierra? Wow. what is
Okay.
I'll talk to you.
Oh. Okay. I'm up to concealer.
I'm almost done with my concealer.
Me too. Look at that. Wow. Halfway done. What if we done and then we look in the mirror and be like, oh Lord.
Just kidding.
Okay, I need a little bit more of that on this side. This is too. Alright, oh no. Oh no. How much time?
7 minutes.
6 minutes. Oh wow.
52 seconds. 51 seconds.
All right.
What comes after concealer? Contour.
Go.
Too much. Oh no. Oh my god.
You need to calm down.
I put way too much on that side. Ooh, no.
Just gonna get the highlighting out of the way.
Oh, that looks bad on camera.
This is my highlighter. It busted in my suitcase.
Same.
So I have to get it.
Oh, that's cute. Very basic nose contour. My nose is big as hell. Okay. Oh, not bad, not bad. I'm doing some blush right now. I'm stressed. Oh, I'm sweating so hard. I'm literally about to sweat my hair out. Okay. How much time we got left? Because eyeliner gonna take me the longest.
5 minutes. 5 minutes
Oh, we're beating
and
this.
17 seconds.
I'm halfway done.
I just did my
Highlight.
Ugh. My eyeliner is crooked. She's not even on eyeliner though.
And
You're gonna have one eye done, and you're gonna be like, I can't go out like this.
we are actually going out. We're going to a drag show in Boys Town, which will be fun. But these drag queens gonna make fun of us with this bootleg 10-minute makeup.
How much time we got left?
4 minutes. 4 minutes
Oh
and
my
11
God.
seconds.
Oh my
10,
God.
8.
Mom, stop.
I can't do eyeliner one-handed. I wish I was both-handed.
I wish I was both-handed.
If you
I'm
know
just
where
going
that's
to the
from,
store.
please comment down below.
What was his name?
Kiki.
I'm just going to the store. This is Waffle House yellow.
Money green. Oh my God. You can't go fast and do your eyeliner because like you won't look stupid.
Another thing. You gonna have one crooked eye like me.
What time is it? 3 minutes.
What?
3 minutes.
Oh my God. I used to do this every time I go out. That's why I run late.
That's white.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Shut up. Oh my God. Oh, it's not too bad.
From a distance.
I probably look so crazy in this mirror.
Woo.
You know what?
What else is on the list?
What you got done?
Everything?
You a cheater.
No, I'm not.
You gotta do your lips.
Okay.
Do that one day right here off your eyelid.
Kayla's mom is here cheating.
No, I'm
She's
not.
talking. She's not supposed to be in the video.
Not bad, not bad. I just gotta do my mascara and my lips and I'm done. Oh, that's my earring.
I got it.
1 minute.
What? Oh,
40
2
seconds.
minutes. 2 minutes, basically.
1 minute, 45 seconds.
Jesus. I'm about to put some lip gloss on.
This is a clef. Left.
Look like Cardi
It's
B.
Kiki. But
Said you like Cardi B.
When she did, I like it like that video.
with the scarf.
Yeah.
Oh, grrr. Oh. Looking like a snack.
How much time?
A 10
Let me
minute
see if I got enough time to do. Do I got enough time to do lipstick or do I gotta just do lip gloss?
What time is it? Oh.
You got 50 seconds.
Oh, I got enough time to do lipstick. Let me get that lipstick.
Well, I got time to actually blend.
If you ain't blend before, you can't blend now. We're both using the Stunning Lip paint, right?
Yes.
How much? Oh my god, 26 seconds.
Excuse me, sir. Excuse me, sir.
Got 16 seconds.
I got enough time to do some setting spray.
Me too.
No! No! Time is up! No setting spray for Jaquela.
Already said.
Woo! Okay. I got some setting spray in my eye, y'all.
That's what you get.
Okay, we're done.
I know who will.
Let's zoom in to see who looks better. Even though we basically did the same look. Okay, Jaquela, you first.
Oh, wow. Who is she? Oh, my set is very still drying.
Okay.
Okay.
So, you see that highlight right there?
It's okay. It's okay. I think I look good. That's good for 10 minutes.
It is very good for 10
Back
minutes.
in the count.
All right, so 10-minute challenge done. How did you feel?
I felt pressed for time, if we're being honest, but
I was really
I think
stressed.
it worked out.
It worked out pretty good. You know, I thought we weren't gonna be able to finish it, and then
No,
we
we
had a little bit of extra time, to be honest. So, we'll put some pictures in here at the end of like what we actually look like with like pictures and stuff. So
And now we have more time to pregame, so everybody should do this challenge.
yeah.
Who's your cake?
Ow.
All right, so that's it. I hope you guys like this video. Make sure you go follow Jaquela, and this was fun. We'll see y'all next time.
Okay.